all the Ahmadis and Qadianis listening right now, wallahi, we have no doubt. Me and Imtiaz Bhai, we can only speak for ourselves. We have no doubt that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani was a liar, was a Dajjal, and we are willing to do Mubahala with any Murabbi, with Mirza Masroor, anywhere in the world, anytime. Send us location. We'll be there to do Mubahala openly, publicly. That if Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is a true prophet of God, oh Allah, strike us right now. This is how confident we are. This is how confident we are. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani was a liar, was a Dajjal, and we'll put our life on it. We have no doubt. So look, again, this is not to abuse him. This is to simply state our position as Muslims, as Orthodox Muslims, right? So don't expect us to respect him, because we don't respect him. We don't love him. We do not respect him. We cannot use respectful language for him. So try to understand our perspective. You love him, you respect him. Okay. If, for example, a Christian calls Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam Muhammad, he uses that name, we don't expect him to say Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Muhammad Sahib, Muhammad Ji. We don't expect that from them, okay? Because they don't believe Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to be a true prophet. That's why we do da'wah to them. Now what you do is you come and do da'wah on us. Show us why Mirza Ghulam Qadiani deserves that respect. Show us the reasons, like we do with the Christians and Jews. We show them why Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is explicitly foretold in their scriptures. We show them verses and characteristics and locations and geographies, okay?